If you want to change the language settings in Microsoft Word 2019, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can add a new language, set it as the default if needed, and get Word ready to use in the language you want. This is really helpful if you're writing in multiple languages, checking spelling and grammar in another language, or just trying to customize Word for your workflow. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word 2019 on your computer. Once Word is open, look up to the top left corner and click File. This takes you into the main Backstage menu where you can access all of Word's program settings. From there, scroll down and click Options. The Word Options window is where you can change a lot of important preferences, including language settings, display options, proofing tools, and more. When the Word Options window opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Language. This is the section you need for managing the languages used by Word. Here, you'll see language options for both Office authoring languages and proofing tools. Under the section labeled Office authoring languages and proofing, you can manage the language used for typing, spelling, and grammar checks. To add a new language, click Add a language. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list or type in the language you want, then select it. After you've chosen the language, click Add. Word will now add that language to your list of available authoring languages. Once the language has been added, you may want to set it as the default. This is especially useful if you want Word to automatically use that language for new documents or proofing. If the language supports proofing tools and you want it to be your main language, select it and choose Set as Default if that option is available. Depending on your installation and the language pack, Word may need additional components to fully support spelling and grammar checking. After that, review your language settings carefully to make sure everything looks correct. If you also want to change the display or help language, you can check the other language sections in this same window. But for most users, changing the authoring and proofing language is the main step. When you're finished, click OK to save your changes. Word will now keep your new language preferences, but there's one final step you should not skip. To make sure the changes take effect properly, restart Microsoft Word. Close the program completely, then open it again. Once Word restarts, your updated language settings should be active. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the language settings in Microsoft Word 2019 in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.